So I gave them a couple of live quail with their wings plucked. And this is Axel got this one. Here, puppies, here. And Acer has that one. There's Allie and Abby. Got that one together. Acer wants out. He wants to get away. There you go, Emil. Oh, he's chewing it. And Asher has a bone. Artist is eating feathers. They've all chased him. There's Amber. And here's Anna. She was chasing a minute ago. Come here, girl, here. They were all after it earlier. There she goes. Here, puppies. Oh, you got its head. Let me see. Oh, he just wants his bone right now. But he was chasing it. Well, there's the other one. Here we go. Where's Anna? Where'd she go? Here she is. Here, Anna. Here you go, baby. They just had supper too, so. There's Anna chewing on it. She's just lazy right now. Axel's got this one. They're fighting over feathers. And Asher has a look on his face that's kind of like, leave me alone. And Emil had Asher's head in his mouth trying to take it. Sorry, puppy. Sorry, puppy. So every one of these birds or dogs has chased the quail today. I just didn't get them all on video, but I promise they all did do it. And there's Emil, he wants it. So they also got some new squeaky toys and some puppy bones today, so they're pretty occupied with a lot of things. So Anna must just be tired. I did feed them right before I did this, so. Hey, girl. Oh yeah, you got a feather in your mouth. That's a sweet puppies. Yeah. And here's Abby saying hi. Here's Acer. He's a sweet boy. Here's Artist. He just woke up from a nap a few minutes ago, so he's wired. Here's Asher, or yeah, Asher. Here's Axel. Here's Allie and Amber chewing on the same bone. Yeah, that's Artist there. Who have I missed? So there's Abby. Here's Emil. And here's Anna, who is crashing after her dinner. Oh yes, here's Axel. Sweet little puppies.